Weddings. I'm sure many of us have seen the extravagant and over-the-top wedding content on social media. Some may say sharing wedding matter through social media represents the joy, the love, and the unity of a couple. But I think it's all about getting the perfect angle to post about having the best wedding and outshining the rest. This is where my interest began. I've always been fascinated with weddings and even considering it as my future job. However, with the conducted ethnographic research, I've learned there is much more to this dynamic. To begin, ethnographic research has become a staple in our DA. Dr. Brian Hoey discusses the theory, stating, "It is the analysis of culture and societies, usually based on participant observation, and resulting in a written account. It is also an entwining of the qualitative research and the product. Since most of my interests come from observations via the media and how I have conducted further research using a range of sources supporting my topic, I can now use this knowledge and transform it into a product or DA. This can also be tied to my theoretical research approach, where the framework supports a theory, expands existing knowledge, and explains why the research problem study exists. I have understood the key factors when conducting ethnographic research, particularly with social media. Massimo Eroldi gives a great explanation that social media is a transposition of offline methods and concepts to the online world, which with weddings is shot in the moment and immediately posted online. Some DA formats I have considered are YouTube videos, formal interviews, or blog posts. With this in mind, however, ethical consciousness needs to be considered when dealing with the privacy of people online or face-to-face, and copyright infringements when using photographs and sources. Correct referencing of each source and consent to incorporate people's ideas will be implemented. Nevertheless, using the concepts of ethnographic research discussed will assist to informing my DA. With my interest of weddings, I think it is important to expose how social media has changed the way we view weddings as it continues to become more extravagant and over the top through the years.